Fans of the hit TLC reality show 1000 LB Sisters were recently shocked after discovering a major revelation about one of the show's most beloved stars, Amy Slayton, and her new boyfriend Brian. While Amy's fresh start in love after a very public and emotional breakup has been a topic of curiosity for Ons, the newest twist in her personal journey has fans talking more than ever. According to emerging reports and social media buzz, there appears to be a massive age gap between Amy and her new beau, Brian. And many are asking, did Amy keep the secret for a reason? Is love truly ageless, or is there more to the seemingly wholesome romance than meets the eye? Amy Slayton, who rose to fame on 1000 LB Sisters for her candid personality, vulnerable journey with weight loss, and devotion to her kids, has expressed immense dramatic ups and downs in both her physical and emotional life. Following her separation and eventual divorce from Michael Halterman, the father of her two children, Gage and Glenn, Amy faced serious emotional and financial struggles. Fans saw her trying to find stability as a single mom while grappling with her own self-worth and recovery from years of stress. So when Amy was first spotted with Brian, a seemingly gentle and supportive man, fans celebrated what looked like a well-deserved happy chapter. The pair appeared together in TikTok videos, fan-captured Facebook Lives, and even paparazzi shots outside a Kentucky Walmart, fueling speculations that Amy was not just dating again, she was in love. But few knew the real details about Brian, whose full identity remained under wraps for a while. It wasn't until online sleuths began comparing public records and social media posts that they uncovered the shocking detail: Brian is significantly younger than Amy. In fact, depending on sources, the age gap between the two is estimated to be anywhere between 10 to 15 years, possibly even more. The news spread like wildfire across Reddit threads and Facebook fan groups. Some expressed shock, others confusion, and many voiced concern about whether Amy was heading into a relationship that might not stand the test of time. However, others fiercely defended the couple, pointing out that age gaps aren't unusual and that Amy deserves happiness regardless of societal norms. Still, the discovery has opened a Pandora's box of questions and critiques. Why did Amy keep Brian's age under wraps? Was she afraid of public judgment? Or was it simply a matter of privacy in the early stages of love? Insiders close to the 1000 LB Sisters production have hinted that TLC producers were aware of Brian's age from the beginning but chose not to highlight it in the current storyline, yet. One source claimed that there's more to this relationship than fans realize, and a lot of it is going to come out in the next season. Another added, Amy's going through a major transformation, not just physically, but emotionally. Brian is a part of that journey, but it's more complicated than fans think. As fans analyze every post, every facial expression, and every body language cue between Amy and Brian, their romance is becoming the centerpiece of online debate. Some question Brian's intentions, given the age gap and Amy's vulnerable state post-divorce. Critics point to a pattern seen in other reality TV romances where younger partners get swept up in fame, only to crash and burn when real life kicks in. Others cite examples where age gaps have worked out beautifully, offering comfort, emotional balance, and a fresh perspective. Could that be the case for Amy? Interestingly, Amy herself has been cryptic when asked directly about Brian's age. In a now-deleted TikTok comment, Amy replied to a fan's question with a wink emoji and the words, "Age is just a number, honey." In another clip, she joked, "Brian makes me feel young again. That's all y'all need to know." These responses only fueled curiosity. Was she brushing off legitimate concerns or confidently setting boundaries around her private life? Meanwhile, Brian has maintained a relatively low profile compared to Amy, avoiding most press coverage and rarely posting about their relationship online. But a few viral moments, including one video where he is seen dancing with Amy's son Gage, have made him a fan favorite in some circles. His supporters argue that Brian brings joy, playfulness, and patience into Amy's life, which is exactly what she needs right now. Others aren't so convinced, speculating about his background, motives, and whether he's prepared for the reality of life with a public figure, two young kids, and constant internet criticism. Amy's sister Tammy, never one to stay quiet, added to the speculation in a recent live stream. When asked about Brian, Tammy replied, "He seems nice, but I don't know him that well." It's Amy's life. The comment sparked mixed reactions. Some felt Tammy was throwing shade, while others saw it as a classic sisterly deflection. Given Tammy's own controversial relationships in the past, fans are drawing comparisons between the sisters' romantic choices, especially now that both are navigating public relationships with intense scrutiny. Psychologists and pop culture experts are now weighing in on what age gaps in high-profile relationships can mean. Dr. Karen Billings, a therapist who specializes in reality TV personalities, shared in a recent podcast, "For someone like Amy, who has been through trauma, public scrutiny, and dramatic weight loss, a younger partner can symbolize emotional healing. But there's always a risk when the relationship isn't balanced in terms of maturity or life experience." She emphasized that the success of the relationship depends on communication, boundaries, and a shared vision for the future. And that's the big question: what is Amy's vision for the future with Brian? Is this a long-term commitment or a healing phase in her post-divorce journey? Amy hasn't spoken publicly about engagement or future plans with Brian, but those close to her suggest she's taking it one step at a time. A family friend reportedly told a tabloid, "Amy's just enjoying feeling loved again. She's not rushing into marriage. Right now, Brian makes her smile, and that's what matters most." Some fans worry that Amy, who has always been open about her struggles with depression, might be diving into a reality on ship to fill an emotional void. Others believe she's found a fresh start and is building a healthier, more independent life that just happens to include a younger man. Either way, the fascination with their relationship shows no signs of slowing down. Every selfie, every outing, every subtle caption becomes another clue in the ongoing saga of Amy and Brian. As 1000 LB Sisters gears up for its new season, producers are likely to capitalize on the public's interest in Amy's romance. Rumors suggest that Brian will make more appearances on camera and that his relationship with Amy's children will be explored. TLC insiders hint that viewers will get a closer look at how Amy is navigating love, motherhood, and fame, all while balancing the realities of an age gap relationship. Will Amy address the speculation directly on the show? Will Brian speak up and share his side? Will their love story stand strong under the weight of public judgment? Or will age prove to be more than just a number after all? For now, Amy Slayton is keeping fans guessing and watching. One thing's for sure, she's living her truth, age gap and all, and making headlines every step of the way. Stay tuned for the next chapter in this ever-evolving reality TV fairy tale, because with Amy Slayton, you never know what surprise is around the corner. Whether it's love, heartbreak, or something in between, fans are here for every twist, every TikTok, and every emotional moment. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.